In this video and in some of the next videos, I will be talking about some more additional topics that, to be very honest, I haven't seen a lot on the new SAT, but they used to come a lot on the old SAT. And I feel imperative that you should have understanding of these questions or topics. Let's begin with handshakes. So if there are 5 people in a room and they shake each other's hands once and only once, how many handshakes are there altogether? Interesting question, no? So next time you go to a party, please make sure you calculate the number of handshakes that you're doing. Okay, so let's form a pattern. Let's say there are 5 people. Let's name them A, B, C, D, and E. Let's close them in circles. So we have these 5 people. Let's start with A, the first person. So the first person will shake hand with 4 people. With this one, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the first person is shaking hand with 4 people. Let's look at the second person now, which is B. Now B has already shaken hands with A, so that's done. Now B has to shake hands with this person, 1, 2, and 3. So the second person will shake hands with 3 people, and so on. Now you understand the pattern. Now look at C. Now C has already shaken hands with B and A. So C will shake hands with D and E, 2 handshakes. And the last person will shake hands with only 1 person. So if you have 5 people, you start with 4 and go till 1. That's what you need to understand. The answer will be 5 plus 5, 10. Next question. If you have 12 people in a group and each person shakes everyone else's hand only once, how many handshakes take place? Now you know the drill. You've got 12 people, so the handshakes will start from 11. We've got 11 plus 10 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. This is our answer. The 12th person, or you can say the first person, will shake hand with 11 people. The next person will shake hand with 10 people, and then so on. And the answer is basically, if you add these up, you will get 66. That's option choice D. Next one. At a party, everybody shakes hands with each other once. If there are 45 handshakes, how many people are there at the party? Now we have the handshakes and we have to count the number of people. Our formula pattern remains the same. We start by adding the handshakes. So the second last person does 1 handshake. The third last person does 2 handshakes. The last person basically doesn't do any handshake. If you remember this diagram, you see the last person doesn't do any handshakes because he's already shaken hands with all the people. So the second last person does 1 handshake. The third last person will do 2 handshakes, and so on. So we have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. This is something that you need to do. You have to write down the handshakes, add them up until you get 45. So this is the exercise that you need to do. So far, I'm pretty sure we are not, the addition doesn't add up to 45. Plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8. Let's add these up. We still get 36. We need one more. That is this. This will add up to 45, but you need to remember the last number basically tells us how many people are there. The number of people should be one more than this, 9 plus 1. Because when we had 5 people, we started with 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So this means there are 5 people. So if you've got 9 over here, that means the number of people are 10. Please remember this. That's the trick. The answer is beta.